Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download a network map in the JourneyPlan application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Network Maps button. And if you want to download a map, then just click on the Cloud button next to the one that you want to download. And you can just download all of them. And if there's a black tick next to them, it means that it's downloaded. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.